Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 3 best power planers. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. As the item number 3 we've selected, 15,000 revolutions per minute wood electric planer. Specifications. Brand name, Kakyoin. Frequency, 50 Hz. Is underscore customized, yes. Chuck diameter, 82 mm. Rated voltage, 220 volts. No load speed, 16,000 revolutions per minute. Rated input power, 1000 watts. Model number, electric planer. Usage, home DIY. The item number 2 is, Drill Pro electric planer. Specifications. Brand name, Drill Pro. Rated voltage, 18 volts. Power source, battery. Model number, electric planer. No load speed, 15,000 revolutions per minute. Max. Planing depth, 2 mm. On the top of our list at number 1 we have, Deco electric hand planer. Specifications. Brand name, Deco. Weight, 2.86. Rated voltage, 230 to 240 volts. Power source, AC. Model number, KEP 900. No load speed, 16,000 revolutions per minute. Usage, home DIY. Rated input power, 900 watts. Dimensions, 26 cm x 16 cm x 17 cm. Is underscore customized, yes. Rated frequency, 50 Hz. Cut depth, 3 mm. Total planer width, 82 mm. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day and we'll see you back here soon.